Mohammed and Petro from SRC. So talk to me about SRC and what your story is.
Saskatchewan Research Council is a government organization. We are provincial crown organization, and we are a research and technology development company. Have been in this business for the past 75 years, serving four main sectors: energy, environment, mining, and agriculture.
Right. And you're leading into rare earth processing, and you've got kind of a live feed of your processing facility in Saskatchewan. Can you talk us through what the process is and what your market is?
Yeah, a little bit of background on this, what's happening here. So back in 2020, the government of Saskatchewan provided us the funding to build the first of its kind vertically integrated rare earth processing facility. Now, part of the facility is different processing steps, and what you see here is one of the main processing steps in the rare earth processing. So what it does, it separates the rare earths from each other.
Right.
So without this step, basically, you cannot produce the final product.
Right.
So when we started this project, we had a lot of challenges in terms of finding the right equipment which can perform this process. So we ended up developing the equipment in-house. So what you are seeing here is the set of the main equipment, what we call them the solvent extraction cells,
right,
which are over here, which are used to do the separation.
Right.
But the main thing, which is the highlight of it, is the use of the artificial intelligence,
yes,
to get to the proper optimization and get to the right specifications of the product.
Right.
Most importantly, it reduces the operating cost. So conventionally, a plant of this size, what we are constructing, you will need about 80 to 100 operators, field operators, to operate these cells.
Right.
But with the use of the AI, you can substantially reduce that number. So on our plant, we will have a maximum of 5 people, right, to operate this facility with very little input to control the process. AI, artificial intelligence, is taking care of all the process control.
And this is AI developed in-house, controlling machines and technology developed in-house.
Exactly.
To process rare earths, right, that go into motors and magnets. Exactly. They're going to be used in the EV technologies that we're all going to be driving. And this is real time. This is happening right now in Saskatchewan. Here we are in Germany. And this is happening at 2:24 a.m. in Saskatchewan.
Yeah, exactly. So the other thing, what we developed here were the instruments that basically generate the data for the AI.
Right.
So it's not only the AI itself, but also the instrumentation that was required to generate that.
Right.
And you are right. The final product from here is used in manufacturing the permanent magnets, yeah, which are used in the electric vehicles,
right,
or the solar, or the wind turbines for basically this net zero objective. This is really very important.
And then going forward, for SRC and your technology to grow and to be adopted, what kinds of things do you sort of need to see develop over the next few years so that this can become mass adopted and commercialized at scale that we need to see?
Yeah, so we are currently developing this technology, right? So we have recently done the first test, which was very encouraging. So going forward, we will be looking into marketing our technology and licensing it, because we see there is a huge demand in this rare earth sector. There is a huge demand for the growth potential. Yeah. So we will be seeing a lot of opportunities where we can basically market our technology and license it, right, for the industry use.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much, and this has been really a great learning for me, and a really important part of Canada's EV story.